Hello friends, today I will share a super tasty finger licking prawn recipe with you. It tastes as good as it looks. Many of my friends have appreciated after having this dish, so do not forget to try it at your home. Here I have chosen 35 pieces of large prawns or shrimps. So we'll share the quantity of ingredients accordingly. Wash all the prawns properly and marinate with salt for 2 to 3 hours. Now take 10 small pieces of ginger, 10 garlic cloves, 5 teaspoons of white mustard seeds, 7 green chilies, 4 to 5 teaspoons of poppy seeds, 7 teaspoons of beaten sauerkraut, 3 teaspoons of sugar and salt in a mixie and make a paste. You can also grind them separately. Now marinate the prawns with the paste and 2 spoons of turmeric powder. Leave them for 2 to 3 hours. I generally marinate prawns for overnight. Now we will prepare the prawns. Preheat the oven in 216 degrees centigrade or 420 degree Fahrenheit temperature. Then apply mustard oil on baking tray or aluminium foil container like this. Arrange all prawns properly on tray. I have used 2 trays here. Then sprinkle oil on the prawns as shown. Bake for 13 minutes. To get very soft prawns, first bake for 10 minutes, then check with a toothpick. Again 2 to 3 minutes and check with a toothpick. Otherwise the prawns will be hard. Now soft and mouth-watering prawn preparation is ready. Serve it hot. Children as well as grown-ups all love this dish. So try to prepare this at your home and enjoy. Bye. Take care.